So welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Amo Joseph, and for the sake of the people that do not have a laptop and still want to set up their YouTube channel and fully optimize it, I'm going to be showing you some strategy that you can use to make that happen. So if you have been following the series that we've been doing, you would notice that in the last video that we did, if you check the link, should be somewhere around this video, where we used a web browser to access our YouTube platform. So you can go ahead and use a browser to upload your videos. So guys, once you successfully upload your videos on the YouTube through the browser is limited. There are some things that will not be done. You cannot be able to upload thumbnails, you cannot be able to write tags, to put all of this. So what you want to do now is you want to go to your Play Store and download YT Studio. So if you download YT Studio, you'll be able to do what you cannot do with YouTube browser. So once you download the YT Studio, you'll be able to do what your YouTube app cannot do. So let me walk you through the entire process. Please guys, this is only for people that do not have system or do not have a laptop and still want to optimize their channel. So guys, this is the YT Studio here. Right here, you click on it. So as you can see, this is the interface of the way the app looks like. These are your content that you've uploaded. The content, if you click view more, you're going to see more of the content of the videos that you've done. If you go ahead and you click on one of it, you go ahead and click on one, you see you'll be able to edit. You'll be able to edit title, you'll be able to add description, you'll be able to set visibility, you'll be able to set audience, you'll be able to set playlist, you'll be able to set the tags. As you can see, these are the tags. You'll be able to set the YouTube license, you'll be able to set a lot of things. You'll even be able to delete from YouTube right with your YT Studio, and you'll be able to upload a thumbnail. You just go ahead and you click this and you can be able to change this and turn it to any one that you want. So guys, returning back, you can view the analytics. You can check the way your videos have been trending in the past 28 days. 193 view my channel. So, and they said I had 6.2 watch time in the last 28 hours, and I go ahead and click on reach. So the impression, it reaches 3,400 people in the last 28 days. I go ahead and check the engagement. See, these are the engagement. The average person watched for 1 minute 55 seconds, and I can go ahead and check the audience. I check the audience, the returning viewers, the new viewers, and look at the way it is. And I can check the top geography, Nigeria. I can check the subtitles. I can check the number of people that subscribe. I can check everything here. I can go ahead and click on comment, and I can click on playlist to see the playlist that I have. As you can see, I can go ahead and set everything that I need to set. I can click on my profile, I can click on settings, I can turn it into dark mode, I can change the currency from here, which it is impossible for you to do with your mobile YouTube app. So I can return back to my dashboard, I can view more, I can actually share here as well. So This is very important with YouTube optimization.